guys, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious recipe. All right. Look my table, how colorful and busy. Your table can be colorful and busy, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys, today I'm gonna make spaghetti with sharp meat. All right, it's gonna bring the flavor together. All right. First, I'm gonna start with my meat, sharp meat. I have 1 pound. All right. Bingo! All right, very good. All right, guys. After that, for the sharp meat, I'm gonna use my garlic. Very good. All right. Hey guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe. All right. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. All right, I will be right here to entertain you. Very good, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, I have a small onion. 1 small onion. Very good. All right. My next step is my black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. And my salt. My salt, I have 1 teaspoon of salt. If you guys need more, just add it. All right. Also, my black pepper. If you guys don't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. All right. Now I'm gonna mix it up. I wash my hands, right? And I'm gonna mix it up very well. This sharp meat. So all the ingredients penetrate and stay together. All right? Very good. All right. This is very easy to do it. And it's gonna taste delicious. All right? Very good. So now, what I'm gonna do is mix very well. All right. All right. It's almost ready. So we can start to do this. All right. All right. I think it's mixed up better. Right. So now what you do is you take a big piece like this. I'm gonna show you a big amount. I think that's good. All right. What you're gonna do is you squeeze. All right. Please bring the camera together. You're gonna squeeze them. You can make any size you want. All right. And this is my spaghetti. Okay. So I have 1 pound of spaghetti. So what you do is you take a bunch. You can do whatever you want, right? You need to take a bunch. Yeah. All right. This is good. Oops. All right. So I'm gonna take this spaghetti. I'm gonna put right in the middle. Right, get here. All right, and I'm gonna close. All right. Very good. Let's put a little bit more. Because I'm hungry. My family is hungry too. All right, very good. All right, guys. Look how beautiful this look. Make sure if you close very well. All right, because this is I'm gonna cook this. See how beautiful it looks? Very good. All right. So I'm gonna put right here, and I'm gonna start to do the other one. All right. All right. Let me start to do this. Let me finish this. All right, because otherwise my show is gonna be too long. All right, and I'll be right back. All right. Welcome back. All right, guys. This dish I'm doing right now is for 6 people. All right. This time I'm gonna make only 3. All right. But I have the rest of here. That's the leftover. This I'm gonna put in the refrigerator. And tomorrow, I'm gonna eat with my family. All right, very good. So, also, I added 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. All right, so now, let's go to my next step. But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, this is my fried pan. Very good. I'm gonna need my olive oil. I have 1/4 cup of olive oil. If you need more, just add it. Bingo! All right, very good, guys. All right, let's warm up this oil, all right? Stay tuned. All right, guys, my olive oil is ready. That means I'm ready for my next step. Would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. All right, very good. Here you go. My 3 spaghetti. All right, so now let's cook these babies. Very good. All right. Very good. All right, so let's cook these babies. All right, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Time to check. All right, now I'm gonna flip. Very good. Start to cook. You don't want this cook well done. All right, because it's still gonna cook with the sauce, the spaghetti. All right, so let me flip this. Be very careful not to open the meat. All right, very good. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Very good. My meat is ready. All right, looks beautiful. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to preserve. All right, I'm gonna reserve them. Look how beautiful it looks. All right. Very good. And it smells all over my kitchen. All right. Hey guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean now my fried pan. All right, and I'll be back very shortly. Hey guys, all right, very good. All right, my meat is ready. All right, so I'm ready now to do my sauce. All right, my next step is gonna be my olive oil. Olive oil, I have 1/4 cup. If you need more, just add it, but I don't think you need more. Bingo! All right, very good. All right, let this baby warm up a little bit. All right, stay tuned. All right, welcome back. My oil is ready. All right, that means I'm ready for my next step. All right, this is my garlic. I have 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. All right, very good. Plus I have 1 onion, finely chopped. All right, let's mix it up, these babies. All right, I want to let this garlic and onion cook just a little bit. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, my garlic and my onion, it's halfway cooked. All right, that's what you wanted. You don't want it well done. All right, please take a look one more time. And my next step, it's gonna be my crushed tomatoes. I have 2 cans. Each can is 28 ounces. Very good. All right. I'm making 2 cans because I have for tomorrow the other 3. All right. So Bingo! All right, let's cook these babies. All right, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. My next step is gonna be my black pepper. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. If you need more, use. Or if you don't like black pepper, don't use. Very good. This is 1 teaspoon of sugar. All right, very good. This is my Italian season. I have 1 teaspoon. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. My next step is gonna be my thyme and my basil. All right, bingo. Very good. My next step is gonna be my salt, and actually the basil was 1 teaspoon. My thyme and the Italian season 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon each. All right. My salt 1 teaspoon. My thyme, no, rosemary 1 teaspoon. Bingo. All right. Very good. So my Worcestershire, I have 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. Very good. And my paprika, also I have 1 teaspoon. Very good. Now I have here my parsley. My parsley, I have a half bunch, finely cut. Right? All right, very good. So when the colors and the flavor comes together, all right, very good. Low down a little bit the flame, right? Very good. Let's cook these babies. All right, and I will be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Now I mix it up a little bit. All the ingredients, you guys can see, it's not cooked yet. All right, everything's here. All right, still have to cook together with the spaghetti. So now it's time for me to put my spaghetti. All right, like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. Now I'm gonna lay. It's gonna cook the spaghetti. All right, and the rest of the meat. Very good. So what you want to do here? You want to cover. All right. Very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, welcome back. Time to check. Very good. Ooh la la. All right, very good. Then it's almost ready. All right. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. But, all right, guys. I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I almost forgot. Time to check. Very good. Ooh la la. All right, very good. Now I'm ready. My next step. All right, my next step is gonna be my mozzarella sheets. All right, so what you do, I have here for tomorrow also. All right, I had about 1 pound. All right, but this is for tomorrow too. All right, so what you do is you're gonna put right in the top. All right, squeeze a little bit so they don't melt, they don't pull off. Very good. All right, very good. It's looking very good, and it smells all over my kitchen. All right, I'm gonna let these babies cook. All right, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome. Time to check. Very good. Look very good. Looks very, very good. All right, guys. Sheesh! It's almost ready. I'm gonna let these babies cook for 2 more minutes and I'll be right back. But Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys. All right. Very good. Time to show you the final product. All right. Please bring the camera together. It smells all over my kitchen. And this is a party for 3. All right. Looks beautiful and looks very impressive. All right. Hey guys, you have to try this recipe. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. All right, guys. Cheers.